Hello everyone, partners and tutors. Here's I hope you're doing fine. And this is my video of the of the recording and the phonetic symbols. I'm gonna start. Okay. The first part is the reading. Emotions or states or feelings that are often intense last for only for a chain and or clearly direct or caused by someone or some circumstances. Um, Positive emotions include joy, praise, relief, love, and compassion. We must share positiveness and joy to others by always trained, yes, by always trained to be positive and cheerful. Negative emotions include anger, anxiety, fear, guilt, shame, sadness, envy, and disgust. Alright, the second part is the minimal pairs, which are the following. Cat, for example, a cat, bad, white, wise, right, road, car, kite, night, take, stick, cut, cut, bin, chill, peel, teach, pitch, day, pay, dig, pick, deal, peel, duck, buck, date, bait, tall, call, tool, cool, tape, cape, tote, coat, town, gown, gown, excuse me, tie, guy, tap, gap, tool, goal, tack, gag, table, gable, chin, fin, tail, fail, ton, fun, tick, big. Mm. The third part is the intonation. For example, statements with one stress. Uh, sh- she works. We left. It stopped. Statements with two stresses. Tom is reading. Mike is sleeping. The car stopped. The weather has changed. It's statements with three stresses. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. It's statements with four stresses. She wants to buy a new car. She wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. The other part it's statements with five stresses. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. The other one is it's special questions following intonation. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? The other one is a friendly interest, politeness, raising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What they should say? Where have you been? General questions arising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Requests rising intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative questions arising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at 9? Will you try to Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? That questions falling or rising intonation. You don't know them, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? The other part it's commands, falling intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Requests rising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentences following intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address, rising intonation. Yeah, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating, rising intonation. Uh, I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Responses: I, can, she, is, he, will, you should, I can't, he didn't. However, thank you very much. This was my video, so thanks for watching.